Hey there friends, ETPC here doing another unboxing. So what we got today is a 100-pack of biodegradable straws. These are colorful, like party type straws. So I guess as an alternative to plastic straws, you can get paper or biodegradable straws. So pick these up off of Amazon for about $4, and see there's like getting metal straws now and biodegradable straws, so people are addressing the straw issue. My goodness, can I open this or not? There we go. It's tough to have a knife there, I guess. So I will leave a link in the description below to the Amazon site here, but there basically you have it. So we got 100 of these little guys, and you got hearts on this one and stars on that one, and then look like birthday party type stuff. So pretty cool. 100 of these bad boys, and apparently, yeah, that's it. So I wonder if I can just it doesn't really have, I guess it's like maybe a wax covered paper there, and should be biodegradable. Maybe I'll for the review I'll stick this in some water or something and leave it outside and see what happens maybe. So that's with that. So like I said, about $4 you can grab a 100-pack of these from Amazon. Unlike the plastic straws, which will probably maybe last a while in the environment, these should biodegrade quite quickly. Maybe I'll throw one outside and see how long it lasts just for fun on the review. So pretty cool little straws. A good idea to have biodegradable ones. So thanks for watching this review. I'm sorry, this unboxing, my friends. I'll be doing a review later on these, see how well they work, and how fast maybe they return back to the earth. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon, my friends.